That's reassuring.
Hi, Jenna Russell, one of the councillors with Orange City Council. I've got two questions here, but one of which I'll hand over to Dr. Porges afterwards. He'll ask that one. That's to do with the linear accelerator. The other one I've received is from the Arthritis Foundation in Orange, and their letter states that they were promised a pool from New South Wales Government. Their branch believes that there's a therapeutic benefit to having a hydrotherapy pool.
So the question is, what are the plans for a hydrotherapy pool in Orange? Is that?
Yeah, the question is, will they have the funding for a hydrotherapy pool, and if so, would it be a part of the new aquatic centre that's at Orange City Council, with Orange City Council?
Well, let's go. Oh, yes. The hydrotherapy.
Thank you, Councillor Rossiter. I was actually in Orange in December, just before Christmas, with the local member Andrew G. And I met with we both met with the Arthritis Foundation at a forum, which Phyllis Miller was at as well. It wasn't a commitment that was made by our government before the election, and I had a really good discussion with the Arthritis Foundation, and the General Manager of Council was actually at the meeting as well. And there was an agreement to go away, have some discussions with Council and with Andrew G, a state member, to see what the financial cost of it is. Ideally, in a perfect world, while the construction of the improved facilities at Orange Pool, it could be a good time. But we got to government and the cupboard was fairly bare, and we found some money for some long overdue hospital capital works. But the door's not closed on the Arthritis Foundation in Orange, and the Orange community, I think, and you're a very important part of the Orange community in terms of community. It's got to work together and come up with some unique solutions for that pool, and we'll support them in those solutions.
Do you have a timeline?
No, I don't.
People?
No, I don't.
And just one more question, and that's with regards to the 24-hour chopper service, retrieval service. Is there an update on that?
24-hour retrieval service.
Retrieval service chopper. And I thank you also for this opportunity.
Thank you. Thanks, Fiona. Sorry, what have we done here? Thank you. Thank you, Fiona. You'd be aware that, and I mentioned earlier, we're having a review of the aeromedical services, retrieval services, including the helicopter service from Orange, in the context of contracts which are coming due. That will look at future needs of the local facilities and communities. And we're also doing a broader review of ambulance service. We're in fact reviewing the many reviews that have been done into the ambulance service generally. Now, I think the first, we've already started the work, Mary, on the aeromedical service as we promised you and promised Andrew G. So watch this space for that. And as far as you had a question about linear accelerator? The second linear accelerator.
I'll leave that one for Dr. Porges.
Okay, thanks. But you'll hear progress on the aeromedical review over the next 6 months or so. So thank you.